Vending. I'm Trina. This is my son.
Ryan.
And my husband Shannon's driving.
Contract labor here.
That's right, our contract labor. We are collecting on our restaurant amusement vending machines this week. Come on.
Guys, I bet you can't like the video with your forehead. See, watch, it's pretty easy. Get it.
We're gonna go check on our mini claw machine and our merchandiser in the kids' entertainment place. How much did we do there?
We did 66.
Yeah, $66. About 30 something in each machine. Okay, so we just got a call from our golf course location that one of the machines is not working, so we gotta go check that out.
The sun's so bright, I can't even open my eyes. Wherever you guys.
What are we doing here? What's going on?
The machine's making funny noises, so we're gonna go fix that real quick.
So weird. Okay, so these dollar bill acceptors are not working very well at all. Ugh. And it's squeaking. All right, well, let's check out the money on this, see how, ooh, this one's doing pretty good. All right, but this is a problem, so we gotta get this thing out. Got it, thank you. We got the dollar bill acceptor working. We got it shut down because it's making so much noise. We're gonna go get some grease and see if that'll help it. Let's see if there's some good news in there. Oh yeah, there's some good news.
I'm done with this.
Oh yeah, people like the claw machine. So how'd the multi-cade do?
Okay, guys, let's see how
Looks
much we
pretty
did.
good.
Wow, that's actually pretty good. I think most of these quarters were actually from me playing because I was playing a lot. Okay, guys, so we are going to get the grease for a squeaking machine, but we're not going to go to handle it right now. I think we're going to do it tomorrow, so
Let's find the grease.
Yeah, let's find the grease.
Okay. We ended up getting this grease, so we will take it back to the golf course and see if that stops our machine from squeaking. But hey, we gotta count up the money that we collected at the golf course. Let's go count what we pulled out of the mini crane and the heart machine.
Let's do it!
And the multi-cade, yes. All right, and then we're done for today. Come on, let's go check it out. Okay, this is the money from the multi-cade. So the multi-cade did about $15. Okay, the mini crane did $21 in quarters and $35 in $1 bills. So we did a total of $56 on the mini crane at the golf course. So the heart machine did $29 in bills and $8 in coins. So a total of $37. All right. Your hair's blue. Okay, we are back at the golf course and we have some grease for our pink merchandiser machine. Look at this. Okay, we've got a lot of work to do.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay, so take a little bit of that on your finger.
Oh, on my finger?
Mm-hmm. And we're gonna
Oh, man.
pick it up there, I think.
Wow, what's happening?
Still squeaking. It's still squeaking. I'm gonna try more earwax. Oh. Ooh, It is getting quieter, I
And
think.
it's
Maybe
a
we
sound
need to like load up the grease on it.
Have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, it only takes like 1 second, so go do it right now.
Oh, it's still got that squeaky squeak though. Oh my gosh. So I have still not been able to figure out how to solve this problem. So I'm just gonna take a big hunk of this and just fill this.
Just slide.
I am. I mean, I don't even know what to do anymore. This one moves. This one won't move. But I don't feel like that's where the noise is coming from. Because the noise just happens. It's in here. And I can't get in there. And this is looser in certain spots. Oh, that's an idea. So I need to get this box away from this track on this left side, right? Okay, and then I pull this down and the squeak is less. It's too tight over there. I don't know how to get this side away from this. Okay, I was prying a little bit and look at what I did. I don't know what's going on in there. Oh my gosh! Oh, something happened.
Wait, let me see.
We need professional help. I can't fix it. We're gonna have to get the dolly and take it to a professional. We're leaving the golf course and I just feel so out of my league with these machines. I'm sweating. We've spent like 3 hours trying to fix this thing. It's just very frustrating. Very frustrating. This business isn't as easy as it looks. I'm learning.
Yeah, this ain't gonna work.
It's not gonna be a very comfortable ride, I'll tell you that. This is I'm really close to the dashboard. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am like right up at the dashboard because this seat is pushed way up.
Okay,
Hey, listen, darling. I need some more motivation since
Right,
I have
so-
another setback
Right.
and it's touching my back. It's like I'm pushed up
All right,
here.
bend back. Here we go. so here we go. So there was this frog, and he was driving on the freeway.
It's already funny to me.
And he was driving on the freeway.
I have to laugh to stop from
and
crying.
his car broke down on the freeway.
Okay.
And he, in desperation, he cried out for help. So guess what he got?
A ride.
Toad.
So stupid. So stupid.
Yeah, stupid is, but stupid. You couldn't even guess it.
So there's. Okay. We're getting this put back together. That's the one that I popped. It's midnight and I'm just getting home. I'm very fortunate that I live close to the man that I bought these merchandisers from, and he's so incredible. He's awesome, and he helped me. He fixed it. He didn't help me. He fixed it. I sat there and watched. I'm learning that this business is not as easy as I had originally thought. All right, good night for now. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.